Hi, everyone. Can you hear me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay,
Yes,
I'm really
teacher.
sorry. I am having troubles with the internet. Actually, I don't know what is happening. Maybe it's because of the weather, but I hope everybody we can continue with our class right now. As I
Okay.
was as I was telling you guys, let me see. The last words that are missing are, let me share my screen with you. Okay, the last words that are missing are famine and poverty. So, let's see. Tell me, Mitzi, what is the next word?
Letter G, famine.
Okay, letter G is famine. Let's see, famine. Well done. Of course, everybody, letter K is poverty. Okay. As you can see in this activity, we already finished. We have different social problems, guys, that we can find. For example, in some places around the world and also in our country. Let me show you guys that our result in this activity was 8 out of 10. Because we got confused with two pictures. Actually, they are very similar. That's why we got confused, but it's terrorism and war, okay? So these are common words, but they are, I could say that they are similar. That's why we got confused with those words, but we did an amazing job. Just before we continue, guys, do you have any question about vocabulary, about any word from the vocabulary?
What is the meaning of famine?
Famine, that's a good question. It's when people don't have enough food to eat.
Okay, thank you. Maybe another synonymous.
Oh, which is another one?
I'm sorry, what?
Another word for it?
Synonymous of famine in English.
That's a good question. I have never thought about it. Let's look for it. Synonyms. Synonyms of famine. Okay, as you see, these are like the synonyms that we have thanks to Oxford Languages. And it's that scarcity of food is one synonym of famine. Some others, as you can see, is misery, poverty, scarcity, starvation, and dearth. But at the end, everybody, it's when people don't have food to eat, that is famine, that scarcity of food. Okay.
Okay, thank you so much.
Do you have any other question about vocabulary? I could say that maybe famine, it's a word that is not very common. The other words I could say that they are common vocabulary. We can see that kind of vocabulary in different activities. So guys, I'm really happy.
Teacher,
Yes, Katya.
and about the meaning of disease.
Oh, it is, for example, illnesses.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
that is disease. Okay, you're welcome. So very good. As you see, guys, we are talking about different problems, or in this case, some social problems, because this unit, guys, was related to problems, for example, the excess of something or some problems we can identify in our neighborhood. That was one of the topics we study in this unit. Actually, it was on Friday. Today, everybody, we will continue practicing some other topics. Remember that yesterday we had an activity related to, give me a second. We had an activity, guys, related to the indirect questions. Remember that in the indirect questions, there are specific parts of that of those kind of questions. First of all, we need to use the opening phrase. After that, we need to use if, in case it's a closed question, and we have to use a WH word in case it's a information question or an open question. After that, everybody, we follow the structure of a sentence, depending on the tense we are asking the question. If it is simple present, so we follow the structure of a sentence in affirmative form in simple present. Then if it is in simple past, for example, we follow the same structure of a sentence in affirmative form in simple past. To continue with that activity, guys, let's complete the next exercise. As you see, okay, as you see, we have these words. You have to tell me what is the correct order for these words. Right now, you have 10 seconds to identify what's the correct question. If you have the answer, let me know to participate. So remember, 10 seconds to identify the correct order. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Let's see, Christopher and also Evelyn. Christopher, do you have the answer?
I think, could you tell me if you booked the tickets?
Could you tell me, okay, if you booked
Booked
the tickets?
the
Okay,
tickets.
let me tell you, Christopher, that you are right. That is the correct question. So that's for you. Okay, that's a great example. Let's continue with our second sentence. Evelyn, I saw you wanted to participate, but Christopher helped me. Can you help me with this next example, please?
Okay, let me review the word.
So guys, take 10 seconds and identify what could be the right question for it. Remember, indirect questions. Seven, 6, 5, 4. Okay, Evelyn, tell me what could be the correct indirect question?
Do you have any idea if she speaks Greek?
Do you have any idea if she speaks? And the last word, everybody, Greek. Okay, the language Greek. Okay, so very good, Evelyn. That was perfect. Great job. Let's move, everybody. Now we have example number 3. Remember, let me know if you have the answer. Right now, 10 seconds for you to get ready. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Are you ready, guys? Okay, let's see, everybody. Oh, Christopher, are you ready?
Sorry, it was an accident, but I tried to fix this question. I think is, can you tell me why
Okay,
sorry, can you tell me why Ben went. No, sorry, I'm lost.
Okay, but as you can see, you created the most of the words. You put most of the words in order in this question. Let's see. Let's give the opportunity to Melissa. Okay,
thank you.
Melissa. You
Yes,
already
yes, no
have.
problem. Thank you.
Oh, don't worry, Christopher. It's fine. So tell me, Melissa, we have most of the words of this question. Can you tell me why Ben went? What is the rest of the question? Do you have any idea, Melissa? Okay, I can see Evelyn has her hand up, so let's give her the opportunity. I guess she can help us to order the last part of the question. Evelyn, continue. What is the next word or what is the next part of the question?
Okay. Can you tell me why Ben went home after the meeting?
Okay, you are right. So can you tell me why Ben went home after the meeting? This example, it's a little bit longer, but this is the right order. So thank you, Evelyn, for helping me. Also, Christopher, you did an amazing job. I know, as I told you, it was a long example it was kind of difficult, but we are doing an amazing job. Now, Melissa, maybe you can help me with this example, but right now take 10 seconds to think about the right order, okay? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's see. Do you have any idea, Melissa? Yes?
Yes, maybe. Can you
Okay.
tell me um, and
Can you tell me,
if the project, if not,
I will move this over here. Oops.
if
Can you tell me if,
their project,
okay, if they are,
their, the project working?
okay, let's see. Can you tell me if they are? What is the next word? If they are working, if they are project, if they are there, or if they are on.
Can I help you?
Okay, let's see. I can see Armando wants to help her and also Mitzi. So
Yes.
let's give the opportunity to Armando. Okay. Tell me, please,
Yes.
what could be the next part of the question?
Can you tell me if they're working on the project?
Okay, let me see. If they are working on
The project.
the project. That's right. Can you tell me if they are working on the project? It was a great job, okay? You did it really nice. So we have the right order. Now, 10 seconds, 10 more seconds, everybody, to answer this question. What is the right order? Your know if do brother very busy is you. Okay? Oh, Katia is ready. Okay, Katia, tell me, what is the possible question and direct question?
Okay, I think it is, do you know if your brother is very busy?
Do you know if your brother is very busy? Well done, Katia. That's the correct question. Well done. Okay, claps for you. Thank you. Next question, everybody. Okay, 10 seconds to think about it. Remember, if you have the answer, activate your microphone or raise your virtual hand. Oh, Katia, Damari, nice job. Okay, Damari, tell me, what could be the possible and direct question?
Maybe who you tell me
Okay, could you tell me?
if you love me?
If you love me, very good. That's an amazing example, Damari. Claps for you. Guys, we are doing an amazing job. Let's see, we have 3 more examples. Please remember, hand up if you have the answer or activate your microphone.
Me, teacher.
Oh, Jose, tell me, Alfredo, what is the correct question?
Can you tell me? Can you tell me what time the little London train?
Let's see. Can you tell me what time there?
What time to London train leave?
Oh, can you repeat again? What time there?
The to London train leave?
The to London train leaves. No, that's not correct.
The first the verb the leave to London train.
Oh, remember the structure of a sentence. We have the subject, verb, and yeah, we have
It's verb and complement.
subject, verb, and in some cases the complement. So what time what is the correct word, Mitzi, after the?
Leave
The leave?
the train. Leaves to London.
The train to London leaves. That's the right order. Okay, very good. Thank you for your help, Jose Alfredo. It was a great job. Also, Mitzi, thank you for your help. Okay, so we are practicing, guys. I know this is kind of confusing, but that's why we are trying to create questions and put the words in the correct order. Wow, Christopher, you're so fast. Tell me, please. Also, David is ready. Let's see, Christopher. Tell me, what is the correct question?
Do you know if she
Do you know if she
is angry with me?
Is angry with me? Very good. That was a great question. Let's check, everybody, our last example. Okay, this is the last question. So remember, if you have the answer, raise your hand or activate your microphone. Okay, what could be the right example?
Good teacher.
Oh, Damari is ready. Tell me, Damari, what could be the correct question?
Could you tell me?
Could you tell me?
Why?
Okay, could you tell me why he? So let's see. Also, he, it's another
Why
word.
he preferred
Okay, he prefers
bananas to apples.
bananas to apples. Well,
Apples to bananas.
Apples to bananas. Okay, very good. In this case, both words are possible. Bananas to apples or apples to bananas. But since this is a automatic activity, you know that they have a single answer. So apples to bananas. Well done, everybody. At the end, it took us 13 minutes and we had 145 points. Something really good. Okay, I'm really happy, guys, that most of you or many of you participate in this activity. and we did our best job. Continue working like that, everybody. In this opportunity, let's move to our important activity of this day. Actually, all the activities are important, but we need to move everybody to our speaking practice. Our speaking practice, everybody, it's about the following question. Okay, what do you think the perfect city would be? In this case, guys, we are going to use our imagination, and you have to describe what would be the perfect city. Look at this. Work in pairs, so you have to discuss about this topic in pairs. Discuss different good aspects of city should have to be the perfect city. You have 5 minutes to discuss and get ready to present. Okay, pay attention to these instructions. You will talk about the expressions that we need to use to express good aspects of a good city. In this case, everybody, we can use the expression of quantity, or we can use, well, actually, that's the topic we need to practice, okay? The expressions of quantity. Remember that when we are talking about expressions of quantity, I would write them on the chat for you, expressions of quantity. We had, for example, more or less or fewer. We have also enough or not enough. Remember, these expressions can help us to express positive ideas and also negative ideas. Some other words we can use, everybody, are too much, depending if it is something countable or uncountable. Okay, these are, everybody, the common expressions we can use. More, less, or fewer, enough, not enough, too much, and too many. Is there any other expression we can use to express quantity? Okay. So let's start, everybody, and practice positive things a city should have. For example, everybody, I could say, for me, in the perfect city, there should have more security and also more public transportation. For the people who live there. Also, there should have, or the city should have, I don't know, guys. Oh, I could say too many places to relax or opportunities, which is something important, right? Remember, we were talking about some problems or some good things about the city. So please, right now, speak about advantages or good things, good aspects a city should have. Do you have any question about this, about the activity?
No, no, teacher, I don't have question.
I'm switching to Spanish, guys, just to understand the activity. Solo les doy esta indicación en español rápido. Recuerden que la explicación debe ser, ahorita tienen que preparar una... ¿Qué piensa la otra persona que es una perfect city? Si no, comparto mis ideas, comparte mi compañero sus ideas y unimos las ideas para luego presentarlas juntos, ¿ok? Así que, guys, let's start together in 5 minutes. Nos vemos
Okay.
Goodbye.
don't know.
Okay.
What about you? What do you think about?
Okay, I think the perfect city need the safety and security and cleanliness and environment and
Yes.
one efficient transportation, access to the education, uh, it's to how you say the parts in to the family when uh, we need uh, stay with the family in one environment.
David, I think that my
Si te gusta okay, is like that kind of the weather is. Si te gusta el ambiente helado, right? Do you like
Oh, yes.
the
Yes,
cold? Ajá.
I like it.
Okay, good. Yeah, Toronto is beautiful. Weather is a very, very cold, right? Yeah. I don't
Yes.
know, Abigail, what do you think about it? What is your perfect city that do you like?
In my case, I like Costa Rica because I consider the politics this this place, ¿será? ¿O país? ¿Cómo es?
Country?
This country is very strict about el medio ambiente, ¿cómo se dice?
Wow.
Maybe a perfect city should have a very good public transportation. Because nowadays in our country, the traffic is terrible. But with a perfect or with a better public transportation, like in other countries, maybe we can reduce that and spend less time in traffic.
I agree with that. So that would be really helpful to have a very good public transportations. Also,
Yeah.
about the pollution, because the buses in our country doesn't um, have the right conditions.
Yes, I agree with that.
So the air could be more clean, and also we spend less time in traffic if we have better public transportations.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Also the perfect city.
Teacher,
Yes,
how do you say violencia?
violence.
Violence. Okay,
Let me write it in the chat for you. Violence.
violence. Okay, teacher.
You're welcome. Okay, time's up. So let's move to our main room, okay? We will start our presentations.
Okay.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye. Let me move you.
Bye, teacher.
Hi, hi,
Hello.
Hello, everybody. Welcome back.
hi, hello.
Okay.
Okay, time's up. It's time to present to listen to your presentations. I know everybody 5 minutes are really short. Time flies really fast. But in this opportunity, guys, I want to hear some of you. Okay, so let me show you the wheel, the fortune wheel that we have over here. Guys, I had 6 groups, 6 rooms. So you were divided into 6 rooms. If your number appears on the screen, you will participate. Okay.
Okay.
In this opportunity, guys, the first group who's going to present are group number 3. In number 3, in room number 3, we have Katia, Dimas, and Evelyn. Okay. So they are going to participate right now. Katia, Dimas, and Evelyn. What is the perfect city for you?
Okay, I told my classmates that for me, a perfect city should have a very good public transportation because the traffic nowadays in our country is so terrible and we spend a lot of time in traffic. And maybe if we have a very good public transportation, we can reduce the uses of cars and the time could be better for us when we travel to our jobs or to universities or to school because we have a very good public transportation. That's my opinion.
Okay, thank you, Katia. Dimas and Evelyn, do you have anything to add?
Also, we spoke about our perfect cities should have green spaces, recreational areas, also must have many places for children to play, and also a security places. And we also talk about a city who is taking care of recycling because we can reuse and we can also contribute to have less pollutions.
Okay, Katia and Evelyn, I really like the points you shared, you talked about. Those are very important places and things we need in a perfect city. So those are really nice. Dimas, do you have anything to comment?
Yes, the perfect city for me is to have many places to children play, and also libraries for people if people who want to do any investigation or something homework.
Okay, that's another great idea to have. Well, I remember Evelyn mentioned about the places for children to play. And well, that's another great idea to have more libraries. For people can go to, in this case, to make investigations, as you said, to study or to do homework, or just to read in a quiet place. That's pretty nice. I really like your comments, Katia, Evelyn, and Dimas. That was a great discussion. I really like that. So thank you for your participation. Let's see, guys. Our next volunteer, it's going to be group number 1. Okay, in room number 1, I had Abigail, Adelina, and Luis Molina, okay? Abigail, Adelina, and Luis, what can you tell me about the perfect city? What is the perfect city in your opinion?
Okay, we talk with Abigail and Adelina about our perfect city is excellent, cold, when the city is cold is our perfect weather. And what more, Abigail told about we need a peaceful country. Why? Why? Because do you know we need a peace for between and the community, right? We need a park, a school, excellent public transportation, right? For example, in Toronto, Adelina explained that the Toronto is a beautiful country. We need that kind of community to live, right? To adapt in our region, maybe I suppose, because Abigail said another a good example that we need a clean community or clean city where the people launch trash and on the street, right? We need that. We need avoid launch trash in our city. We need a clean city. This is my opinion that about it, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So what can you comment about, what else can you comment, Abigail and Adelina?
Also, the perfect city have too many hospitals with ¿cómo sería? De medicamentos, suficientes medicamentos.
Enough medicine?
And enough medicine, and the school have a excellent methodologies about education in different areas, and also have too much green areas. Only that, teacher.
Okay, that's something good. That's a great idea. I really like the idea of having a better, well, in this case, to have a better methodology to work at schools, since, well, education is not the best, at least here, but at least here in El Salvador. But, okay, we have the opportunity to imagine what could be a better planning in the methodology of public schools. Very good. Well, Adelina, do you have any other comment about the perfect city?
Oh, yes, teacher. We told with a partner the perfect city. Maybe que pudiera ser.
It could be.
It could be a multicultural city and como financiera, estable financieramente.
Oh, maybe you can say
o con,
well,
con mejor
maybe you
como
could
lo
say that
económico.
they could have a better economy.
Okay. Could be a better economy and only that.
Okay.
Maybe. Yes, yes.
That's another great comment about the perfect city. I really appreciate, guys, that, well, all of you think about different ideas of a perfect city. As you could see, okay, so we're talking about better education, more hospitals, better public transportation experience. So everybody, I really admire your points that you have mentioned. I would like to hear all of you guys, but we don't have more time in this opportunity. But I could listen to some of you in the breakout rooms when you were in pairs or in groups of 3. I could hear some of you guys, and you did an amazing job. I really appreciate all the effort you are doing, guys, and I invite you to continue doing your best. In this time, guys, I invite you to please do your homework. What is our homework, guys? Take the exam for units 1 and 2. Today, everybody, we finish with unit 2. So please take this exam, okay? Take the exam for units 1 and 2. If you have any questions about any activity on the platform, remember, just let us know on the WhatsApp group, and I will try to help you. In case I am not able to help you guys, my coordinator is going to do it, or some of our classmates also can help us, okay? I really appreciate, guys, that we were here. We practiced as much as possible. I hope tomorrow we can continue with another class. Thank you for coming, everybody. Have a good night. Bye-bye.
Good night, teacher.
Good night,
teacher.
Good night, everybody.